have had a lot of people commenting me that they were unable to create a story highlight on their Instagram profile. And because of that, I have decided to start this video with some troubleshooting tips. There are a few reasons why you might not be able to share something on Instagram, including sharing from feed to story. You can only share a post from feed to story if the account is public and allows resharing. The reasons you might not be able to share include the creator's account is private. This can be fixed by going to your profile and selecting the 3-line menu in the top right-hand corner. Select Account Privacy and then turn off Private Account. You also cannot highlight someone else's story if their account is private. The Share Story option is disabled. If you are trying to highlight someone else's Instagram stories, then that person's account must allow sharing for you to highlight their content. You can find your personal account sharing permissions in your Instagram settings under Sharing and Remixes. Copyright restrictions. This might be fixed by contacting an Instagram moderator. Geographic restrictions. This might be fixed using a VPN. App glitches. This might be fixed by logging out and back into Instagram, or even uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. Outdated app version. This might be fixed by making sure your Instagram app is updated to the most recent version. Internet issues. This might be fixed by restarting your router hub or even restarting your phone. Instagram server issues. This can't be fixed by anyone other than the Meta team. Restarting your phone is always a good option to try when you are having troubles. I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Instagram highlights. Select the Add option on your Instagram profile. Select the Story option in the scrolling menu near the bottom. Select the Upload option in the bottom left-hand corner. Select your video. When you are done editing your video, select the arrow button in the bottom right-hand corner. Select the drop-down menu under your story. You can choose to share your story to Facebook, or you can change your sharing settings by touching the Account Settings link in this prompt. When you are done, you can either select Don't Share this time or select Cancel to go back to creating your story highlight. Select Share. Select Add to Highlights. You can select an existing highlight group, but I personally want to make a new highlight group. I'm going to name my new highlight group Songs. Select Add. My video has been added to Songs highlight group. Select Done. My new highlight group is in the process of being created. I am going to my profile and refreshing it until I see my new highlight group link appear. Please have patience, because this might take a few minutes to appear and be available for you and your followers. There it is. I am going to tap on my new highlight group. Fantastic! I wrote, edited, produced, and performed all of the instruments in my original music you are listening to right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to help my videos reach more people. I hope I have helped you improve your Instagram profile, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.